Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. Hey guys, it's time to find the winner of our This and That Fabfitfun and Bombay and Cedar Mystery Bundle Battle. And guys, Bombay and Cedar really kind of whipped Fabfitfun this time around with all the votes that came in. It was pretty much unanimous. There were a few for Fabfitfun, but I would have to tell you guys that Bombay and Cedar won this battle. Now we're going to pop over here and see who won the giveaway. I have the URL in, I have the word wallet, which was our secret word, and we have 2 plus 1 is 3, and we're going to get our comments. We have a total of 65 unique comments. Wow, that's quite a few right there. Thank you everybody. I really appreciate your participation. Now we're going to start this raffle, and I wish you all the best of luck. You must be 18 years or older, have an address within the continental USA, and of course you must be subscribed publicly to Miss Jackie Russell. And of course YouTube has nothing to do with this and is not affiliated. So here we go. Good luck to everybody. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Michael Weber, look at you. You have won. Amy is her name, and she says, hello there, Miss Jackie. This is going to be so fun. Yay, I love mystery bundles and just love that wallet from Earth Square. I love a good hair clip, and those hair ties are so pretty. I love the Foxy Bay hair styling spray, and the purple ear pods are so cute. Oh my, I love that surf mode sunscreen, hun. I love that tea towel, and I love that batch. I love CBD oil. That has to be my favorite item. Thank you for telling others about it. Some really think they will get high, LOL. I give your Bombay and Cedar box an 8, and your Fabfitfun box, I give you a 10. Just perfect. Love you, hun. Love, Amy. And hey, Amy, you were one of the few that did say Fabfitfun was better than the Bombay and Cedar. But like I said, overall, it was the other way around. It doesn't matter. You're the winner, and I will check to see if you're publicly subscribed to me, which I know you are, but I am going to double check, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. It's official. Amy is the winner, so let's congratulate Amy. And Amy, you have 48 hours to contact me at missjackierussell@yahoo.com, and I'll get your package out to you right away. And everybody, let's congratulate Amy. And do remember, I still have my 800 subscriber giveaway out, and I will be announcing the winners of the surprise giveaways that were in July. So I will be having an announcement on that soon too, so be on the lookout for it. It may be in a different place than what you're used to, so be sure and be watching. Okay guys, that's everything I have today, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.